Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. Let's dive straight into the charts. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. There we pushed up a little bit higher and then got rejected from the zone I did draw already a while ago. So I'm still bearish for the short term. I must say, when we look at the fear and greed index for the stock market, we're at the fear level. So big institutions, they are not going to sell when everybody is in fear. They want to sell when everybody is hyped up and is willing to spend a lot of money on stocks. So I think the pullback at the end will not be that extreme as what the harmonic here is suggesting. But I'm still in the opinion that we might have let's go lower here. So yeah, maybe to this daily level. We will see. Having a look at silver. Silver still the same between the point of control and the resistance zone. Gold, on the other hand, did break through the resistance zone. Although when we have a look at the volume, you see it's on declining volume. So can be a push-up which is not sustainable and might come down again. We're also at the weekly resistance. So if we go to the weekly chart, we can see here we had this dump and we came up here and then down again. So that's where we are now for gold. So also here I'm not taking any position yet. I'm not going to FOMO in this type of price action. All right, the crypto market then. Bitcoin still under influence of this pitchfork. If we have a look at the 1 hour time frame, then you can still see how nicely it gets rejected over here. So I'm still waiting for a healthy pullback of Bitcoin. Maybe I will not get it. But if I don't get it, then that's where the Algo will jump in and will force me to buy. So I'm still waiting here. Yesterday, by the way, I did mention not to buy in such type of candle. And apparently it was the moment when Elon Musk did tweet something. Apparently plenty of people were buying. And as I predicted, what happened? So if you would have bought on the top, it went down almost 8%. So it's very dangerous to buy here. Ethereum yesterday had quite a nice pump, 26% extra. Today pulled back nicely, but also here I didn't buy anything. I'm still waiting for lower. Maybe the 50% retrace of the 0.618. Okay, I'm also patiently waiting here. For the moment, nothing to do. Regarding the algo trading, there's some news. We got 2 buy alerts. So one for XRP. Let's maximize this one. So XRP went up yesterday 26%, and so it went above the threshold of 0.95, and it provided a buy signal. So we bought here at the top. Of course, for the moment we are a bit in red, but let's see what the coming days will bring. And another signal we got from Bitcoin Cash. Let's maximize this one. So also here yesterday, how much? 36.5%. That was also a nice one. So now you can see now the line turns green. So now we will turn bearish again if we have a close below the 583 mark. And then so Bitcoin still flirting with with the trigger, which is at $40,070. Okay, Ethereum still quite far away, but as I said yesterday, when Bitcoin triggers, I will also step in with Ethereum. Because for Ethereum, we almost need to break all-time highs before the Algo would step in again. And then Tezos. Let's get the split screen on. Okay, so Tezos up yesterday. Let's move this one. Yesterday it went up almost 22%. Oh, and look, today we're also up. So for Tezos, we're waiting for the 4.15 mark before entering a trade. So let's have a look how we are doing. So this is our position for XRP. So as I mentioned, all coins will have a starting budget of $1,000. So here we started with 1,000. We're now at $20 in the red. So also be careful when you watch YouTubers and they are talking about their profits when they are on Bybit, because the minus 102% or the minus 100 you see now, this is not return on investment but return on equity. So since this is leveraged 100x, it means in reality you would only put in $10 and they will scale it up to 1,000. So I'm $20 in red, which is 2 times $10. So this is like 100 times the dollar value that I'm in red, and that's what is mentioning there. So if I would be $20 in profit, then it would tell me that here plus 100%. So you have YouTubers bragging, yeah, look, I'm currently 100% in profit, but no. If they have this quantity of $1,000, they are only up $20. They're not up 100% extra on top of the 1,000. Now, you might ask, why am I using 100x leverage? Well, I said in the past that I would only use 1x, maximum 2x. On Bybit, when you go 100x leverage, it will allow you to use the whole of your portfolio. So this would give me space when price comes down. It goes down quite steep. I might get stopped out because of the liquidation price. So if I would go 1x, then you would see that the liquidation price would change, or 2x it would change. And with the 100x, it's quite low if you only take 1% of the 100x. It's a bit complicated to explain. But if you would trade like this, then you would see where the difference is. So I have initial capital of 1,000, and I put 1,000 on the line. So I'm only 1x. Yeah? But if things go wrong, it can go down all the way 100x. So okay, anyway. The reason why I'm not very keen on doing this, but in the past it happened where I just put okay, maximum 2x, and I got liquidated. You don't get liquidated on the whole of your 1,000, but then the portion you use to trade with, that portion gets liquidated. So it's just to avoid that. But in our case, we're not going to trade more than 2,000. So 2,000, which is 2 times the portfolio, so 2x. Bitcoin Cash was the other one we bought. And this one is loading slow. All right, here we go. So here we are 76, almost 77 US dollars in red for a total buying capital of 1,124 US dollars. All right, that's what I wanted to share today. Let's see each other tomorrow again. Bye bye.